Arriba, good day everyone. I am Hannah J. Torres, second year BSIT. Today, I will show you our project in integrative programming. Our project involves creating a registration and login form with PHP mailer integration as well as implementing CRUD operations. In this project, I use HTML, CSS, PHP, and MySQL. Before I show you the final output, I will first discuss the code of my program. In register.php, this code implements a user registration and verification system using email. It utilizes several functions and files to execute the process. At the start of the script, the PHP mailer classes are imported using the use keyword to enable the use of PHP mailer library in the code. The session start function is called to initiate a session for storing user data. An autoloader is required to load Composer's autoloader and its classes and dependencies. The config.php file is included to establish a connection to the database. A message variable is defined to store message displayed to the user. The code checks if the form is submitted using the isSet function and sanitizes the user's input before storing them in variables. Next, the code verifies if the email already exists in the database and displays an error message if it does. If the email is not in the database, the code verifies if the password and confirm password match. If they match, a new user is created in the database and a verification email is sent to the user's email address using the PHP mailer library. The PHP mailer settings are configured to send the email using SMTP, with the SMTP server set to smtp.gmail.com and authentication enabled using the Gmail account credentials. The email content is set using PHP mailer functions, with a verification link included in the email body which contains the generated verification code. The email is sent using the PHP mailer function send. If the email is sent successfully, a success message is displayed. Otherwise, an error message is displayed. The message variable $msg is used to display the appropriate message to the user based on the outcome of the user's registration process. In the index.php, the isSet function is used in the PHP program to check whether a variable is set and not null. In the code, it is used to check whether the submit and verification variables are set and have a value. If the submit variable is set, it indicates that the user has submitted the registration form and the code sanitizes and stores the user's input in the variables. If the verification variable is set, it indicates that the user has clicked on the verification link in their email. The code checks the verification code in the database to verify the user's account. Moving on to the home.php, this code snippet checks whether the submit button is clicked or not. If it is clicked, it retrieves the value of the email and password fields and validates them against the value stored in the database. If the credentials match, the user is redirected to the home.php page. Otherwise, an appropriate error message is displayed. The use of MySQLi real escape string function helps to prevent SQL injections attack. In update profile.php, this PHP script updates the user profile information such as name, email, password, and profile picture. It first checks if the update profile button is clicked and then updates the database accordingly. It also includes error message if the old password or confirmed password does not match and if the uploaded image is too large. Now, I will show you the demonstration of the website. That's all. Thank you for watching.